Here at AGL Loy Yang A with Scott Milliner, who is the head of
Maintenance and Outages.
Yeah, excellent. And we're here today. Obviously, they've introduced this amazing valve promoting dropped object prevention. Can you tell us a little bit of a rundown on why you did it and how it's worked for you guys?
Yeah, so we went through an unfortunate spate of dropped objects and tooling, and we really challenged ourselves on, what does the industry do? We're not the only large industry out there, and started to do a bit of research into what the options are for the tradesmen on the job to secure their tooling from dropping at heights, and got a few items, and we tested it and we trialled it and got some good feedback. And then the next bit for me was really, how do we promote this tooling right within our workforce and have it easily accessible and available for people to use and see what it is. So hence the wall and display that we've got set up now.